So we saw the harvesting the other day, and today we're seeing the students are carrying all that harvested wheat into the storehouse. ልጆች በርቱ አብሮባችኋል. I'm encouraging them, telling them that they're looking great. So all of this is going in to be thrashed, and you can see more of them are coming from way down in the field, and this is just so fantastic. I showed you a video where they were harvesting it, and then now you're seeing a video of them taking it to the storehouse. And then there are others. There's some left over, right, out in the field, and there's some others that are going through the field and making sure. Let me just let this batch go through. ልጆች በርቱ አምሮባችኋል. እናመሰግናለን. Just thanking them as they pass. So you see here, the rest of this is they're going through and picking whatever's left over in the field so that everything goes into the storehouse. Indeed fantastic and rewarding, and truly a huge blessing.